Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add a green screen overlay on your videos in Capcut PC. So select a video that you want. I'm just going to add this one. Go to green screen, or if you have another green screen video downloaded, just add that in. And just select the one that you want as like the overlay, I guess. I'm just going to select this one. Go to the green area and then go to remove background, go to chroma key, select this eyedropper, color dropper, whatever it's called, and then adjust the intensity to remove that green area. And that is it. If you want, just make like more changes here, add in some shadows so that it doesn't look like that. So yeah, that is it. This is what it should look like at the end. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.